Nestled in Michigan's scenic Upper Peninsula lies an engineering masterpiece, the Portage Lake Lift Bridge. Serving as the lifeline between Houghton and Hancock, this bridge isn't just about connecting two cities, it's a testament to the ingenuity of human design. What makes this bridge truly special is its unique lift mechanism. Unlike most bridges that operate with a singular function, the Portage Lake Lift Bridge boasts three positions: lowered for regular traffic, mid-height for smaller boats, and a fully raised stance for larger vessels. This versatility not only speaks volumes about its intricate design but also ensures smooth transportation, both on road and water. Its historical roots trace back to the late 19th century, evolving over time with advancements in technology and architecture. The current structure, standing tall since 1959, is an amalgamation of history and modernity. For the lovers of architecture and technology, this bridge is a confluence of form and function, aesthetics and utility, past and present. The Portage Lake Lift Bridge isn't just a path over water. It's a symbol of human perseverance, innovation, and the timeless quest for connecting places and people.